My dear students, welcome. In this fast and demanding digital age, keeping both body and mind healthy is not merely a skill, it is an essential part of our spiritual path. Think of it this way: the body is the vessel and the mind is the one who steers it. If the vessel is weak, even the most sincere practitioner cannot go far on their journey. Today, I want to share with you 5 foundations and 5 simple daily practices for achieving true, lasting well-being in our modern world. First, let's explore the 5 foundations of health in the digital age. The first foundation is this: a peaceful mind is the root of a healthy body. So many people today feel exhausted, not because they work too much, but because their minds have no place to truly rest. A restless mind constantly disturbs our inner energy, our ki. But when the mind is calm, it naturally restores the body. The second foundation is that deep sleep is the simplest and most powerful medicine available to us. Aim for 6 to 7 hours of steady, restful sleep each night. A chronic lack of sleep weakens your immunity, it dulls your mental clarity, and it drains your vitality. Even dedicated practitioners sometimes forget this fundamental truth. The third foundation is to eat lightly, cleanly, and mindfully. Many modern illnesses come from excess, not from deficiency. Try eating until you are about 70 to 80% full. Reduce your intake of oil, sugar, and heavily processed foods. Instead, fill your plate with more vegetables, drink plenty of water, and enjoy fresh fruits. This simple shift can make a world of difference. The fourth foundation is to move a little every day. Remember, consistency matters far more than intensity. Just 15 to 20 minutes of gentle walking, stretching, or simple joint rotations is enough. The key is to create a daily rhythm rather than pushing your body hard for 1 or 2 days and then stopping for a week. And the fifth foundation is to reduce your exposure to invisible toxins. The constant glare of screens, the relentless noise of our environment, and the overwhelming flood of information. Our phones drain our mental energy. Negative news agitates the mind and heart. Many people fall ill not from a physical problem, but from absorbing too much toxic information. Now that we understand the foundations, let's talk about 5 simple daily practices you can start today. The first practice is to take 3 minutes for mindful breathing each morning. As soon as you wake up, before you do anything else, just sit quietly. Breathe slowly and deeply, in and out. Just 3 minutes is enough to calm your entire nervous system and set a clear, peaceful tone for the rest of your day. The second practice is to drink a glass of warm water right after waking. This simple act gently awakens your organs, supports your digestion, and helps your life force energy flow smoothly throughout your body. The third practice is to do 10 minutes of light movement. Gently rotate your neck, your shoulders, your waist, and your knees. These movements are incredibly simple, yet they are powerful enough to prevent many of the common problems we face today: neck tension, shoulder pain, low energy, and blocked ki. The fourth practice is to reduce your screen time for 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep. A calm, quiet mind is the key to deep, healing sleep. Remember, chronic insomnia is often the hidden root of many other illnesses. Give your mind the space it needs to unwind. And the fifth daily practice is to actively let go of what I call the 3 poisons of the digital age. These are comparing yourself to others, constantly worrying about the future, and always feeling like you are rushing. When you consciously decide to release these 3 habits, you will find that both your body and your mind recover with surprising speed. Finally, let's ground these practices in the deeper wisdom of the Dharma. First, remember that a kind heart uplifts the whole body. Negative and judgmental thoughts weaken your vitality long before any physical symptoms appear. On the other hand, a single wholesome, compassionate intention can nourish every cell in your body. Second, you must know when to pause. Pushing yourself too hard, constantly overworking, and chasing after others' expectations are major causes of exhaustion in our society. Recognize your limits and honor them. Third, learn to rest deeply. True rest is not merely lying down or sleeping. True rest is quieting the constant noise inside your mind. It is a state of inner stillness and peace, which can be found in meditation or simply in quiet moments of awareness. And fourth, learn to let go of what is unnecessary. If you look closely at your worries, you will find that out of 10, perhaps 7 are not truly important or are beyond your control. Letting go of this mental baggage opens up space in your mind and lightens the burden on your body. In conclusion, achieving good health in this digital age does not have to be complicated or difficult. It comes down to a little simplicity, a little mindfulness, eating a little cleaner, moving a little more gently, and ensuring you get proper rest. When your body is healthy, your mind becomes clear. When your mind is clear, your energy flows freely. When your energy flows, your practice becomes natural and effortless. Your work becomes smooth, abundance comes more easily, and your life becomes deeply fulfilled. Thank you for listening. May you all find health, peace, and clarity on your path